artwork represents little kids playing with the energy, the solar energy. And you know, this is kind of magic. When you arrive on site, you see this kind of panel and you can't see the end. And then from that, energy is coming. We know that there is a lot of impact using the energy as we used before. So we have to find a new way, to create new energy. So for me, it was very interesting. And for me, my artwork will impact people just by saying that this is a very specific place. Not so many people saw this kind of places, you know, the solar farm is 6 kilometers long. So this is something like surrealist, you know, when you arrive on site, this is surrealist. And this is to focus of what humanity are trying to do using new technology. And then the artwork is 100 meters long by 100 meters large. So it's kind of huge, but because of the place, as the farm is 6 kilometers long, I have to do huge artwork. Then I used a technique which is called anamorphosis, and you will see like this is deformation of the perspective to feel that the people is sit on the side. And I think the biggest challenge was hot. It was 40 degrees and a little bit windy. And when I paint on sand, it's very hard to manage the wind, and I can't walk on the fresco. So for me, with the technique, it's very hard to make it happen.